Hello everyone, welcome back in this class. Today we will discuss chapter number 8 of class 3rd mathematics and chapter number shapes. What is shape? जो shapes होती है हमारी shape denote 2D and 3D structures. For example, this digital board in the shape of rectangle. So, shapes are either plane or solid. A plane shape has two measurements, namely the length and breadth. That is this one. This is a plane shape. It has breadth and length. Solid shape has three measurements. Solid shape को क्या कहते हैं? Solid shapes are called 3D structures, that is three-dimensional shape, and plane shape are called 2D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means only length and breadth, and three-dimensional shapes means length, breadth, and height. First one, triangle. Triangle figure bounded by three-line segment is called triangle. When three-line segment join together and make a closed surface, this is called triangle. Triangle has three sides and three vertices. These are called sides of triangle. Sides of triangle. This one, and this point, and this point. When two sides meet, that meeting point is called vertex. Vertices of triangle. Three vertices of triangle. 1, 2, 3. Next one is rectangle. Rectangle is when a closed figure made by two horizontal and two vertical segments is called a rectangle. Two horizontal line and two vertical line. When two horizontal and two vertical line segment join together and make a closed figure, this figure is called rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four vertex, one. This is called vertex, and single form vertex. Two diagonal, when opposite line or opposite vertex meet each other and make a line. This line and this line is called diagonal of that rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides, this one rectangle opposite side are equal. If this one A, this one will be A, this one B, and this will be also B. Square has four equal sides. Square has four equal sides. This one, and this one. These all sides are equal, and two equal diagonal. Circle, a curved segment which makes 360-degree angle is called circle. This point, bottom point, this center point is called circle का center of circle. Center of a circle. Center of a circle, this one. Let O from center to it, circumference to it, boundary. This distance is called radius of a circle. It has no side or no vertex. Exercise number 8.1. First question है हमारा. In the first column, 13 shapes have been given. Write the geometrical name of the shapes and write required answer. This one is our square. Square has four sides, four corners, two diagonals. This one is our rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, four corners, and two diagonals. Here, next our circle. Circle has no sides, no corners, no diagonals. Here it will be 3. Solid shape means 3D shapes. those shapes which have length, breadth and height are known as 3D shapes or solid shape. Cube. Cube means 3D shape of 3D form of square. It's called cube. All sides of cubes are equal. All sides of cubes are equal. Cuboid 3D form of rectangle is called cuboid. This one is cylinder and this one is cone and this one is sphere. 3D shape of circle. First one, cube. Cube is three-dimensional shape in which length, breadth or height are equal. Cube has 6 faces, 12 sides, 8 vertices and 4 diagonals. Next, cuboid. Cuboid is three-dimensional shape. This one, length, breadth and height. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 sides, 8 vertices and 4 diagonals. Next one, cylinder. Cylinder is a three-dimensional solid that contains two parallel bases connected by a curved surface. These are the bases of triangle. These are the bases of cylinder. These bases in the form of circular bases. Circular bases. Cylinder has two plane faces and one curved faces. These are plane and this one is curved face. It has two edges, both of which are circular. These are circular. Next one is cone. In cone, a circular base make a triangular shape. Next one, sphere. Sphere is the 3D form of circle. Exercise number 8.2. First question है हमारा, complete the following table. Solid, vertex, plane face, surface, curved surfaces और edge face. Cube has 8 vertex, 6 plane faces, 0 curved faces and 12 edges. We have this is our cube. Cube has 6 faces, 12 sides, 8 vertices and 4 diagonals. So same. Question number 2, fill in the blank. A cube has faces. How many faces of cube? Has 6 faces. How many edges? Cube have 12 edges and vertex of cube are 8 in number. All faces of a dash are identical. किसकी faces सारी identical होती है? क्यूब की. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा पॉइंट. तो पॉइंट क्या होता है? पॉइंट इज एन एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन और पोजीशन विद नो जीरो साइड. दिस इज अवर पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट वन इज लाइन. दिस इज अवर लाइन. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लाइन. फर्स्ट स्ट्रेट लाइन, सेकंड कर्व्ड लाइन. दिस वन इज स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस वन इज कर्व्ड लाइन. इन स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस वन इज स्लैंटिंग लाइन, दिस वन इज पैरेलल लाइन. This is our vertical line and this is our horizontal line. Line segment which first a line. The 2 points which lie on the same line are said to be collinear point. When two point which lie जो lie होते हैं कहाँ पर? हमारी एक सेम लाइन पर आर्क said to be collinear point. Line segment when 2 points break a line into 2 parts, then these 2 points and this line is called line segment. A line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called ray. This is our line segment. If this line increasing infinitely, then it became ray. Exercise number 8.3. Count and write the number of line segment of the figure given below. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line segment, 1 2 3 4 5 6 line segment and 3 line segment. Here horizontal lines name लिखने हैं हमें AB and CD. Vertical lines GH and IJ. Slanting line EF. Draw the line segment of the following length. So we have to draw. Next question है हमारा measure the length of the following line segment. We have to measure the line segment. So this chapter is ever complete. I hope you will learn from this chapter. See you in next class. Thank you.